In this exciting tutorial, I'll show you guys the easiest way to make your own half circle skirt without any complicated calculations. So you're going to use only 2 measurements for this simple skirt. So the 2 measurements are the waist circumference and your skirt full length, your desired skirt full length. So after taking your waist circumference, let's assume your waist circumference is 10. So this is just for illustration purposes. Fold your paper at the center just once. Then this is a method for a half circle skirt. For the full circle skirt, you use the other methods. I'll show you in my other tutorial how to go about with a full circle skirt, but this is a half circle skirt. So let's assume our waist is 10. Divide 10 by 2 and it will give you 5. So for a half circle skirt, you always divide your waist by 2. This is a standard measurement. Then after dividing by 2, remember we found 5 on your measuring tape. Just add 1 to 5. We found 5 inches for the waist. Just add 1 inch for seam allowance. Then fold your tape, like not really folding, curve it like I have done. Then place it at the corner of the pattern drafting paper. So that is 6. Then mark and then find just place your tape like I have done. So what we have here is 3 1/4, about 3 1/4. Then on the other side we have 3 1/2. So the difference shouldn't be much on both sides. 3 1/2 and 3 1/4 is not bad. So we're going to work with 3 1/4. Then we're going to start rotating the measuring tape like I am doing. Very easy. Keep rotating the measuring tape to make the radius of the waist. Then you're going to connect the points and cut your radius, but we have to find the full length of the skirts, so just keep watching. So after cutting out, this is what we have. I'm going to open it up and then just get your measuring tape to make sure that your waist is actually 10. Remember the waist we're working with is 10. So start placing your measuring tape to just make sure that what you have is 10. But in our case, remember we added seam allowance. So we're going to have an extra of about 2 inches for seam allowance. So having done that, we're going to fold it back, then mark the skirt desired length. So let's assume the desired full length of this skirt is 2 inches. I'll mark my 2 inches and I'll start rotating and moving my tape like you can see me do. Then I'm going to connect the points, cut it out, and voila, we have our half circle skirt pattern with a seam allowance. So this is how it looks, like a semicircle, hence the name half circle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.